There are 211 students at the museum. 127 students are from Eastern Elementary and the rest of the students are from Elmhurst Elementary. How many Elmhurst students are at the museum? Since this is a part whole, one part unknown, I know I can use a bar model to help me figure this out. In this bar model, we can go ahead and put that there are 211 total students at the museum, and we know that there are 127 students from Eastern Elementary. We need to figure out how many students are from Elmhurst Elementary, and I know I can do this by writing this subtraction problem. 211 minus 127. In the U.S. Standard Algorithm, the numbers are written vertically on top of each other. I'm going to show you how to use base 10 blocks as well as the standard algorithm for solving this problem. First, you will build the number 211 for our total students. 100, 200, 210, 211. Now I need to take away 7 ones from my 1 here, but I don't have enough to take 7 ones away. So instead, I'm going to my tens, and I'm going to regroup this 1 10 into 10 ones. And now I have a total of 11 ones. I'm going to show what I just did in my algorithm. So the first thing I did was notice that I needed to take 7 ones away from the 1 I had, but I didn't have enough ones to take 7 away. So I came over to my tens and I regrouped that, and now I have no tens. And instead of having 1 1, I have 11 ones. Now I can subtract. I can take away 7 of my ones, and I will do that by clicking and deleting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I am left with 4 ones. 11 minus 7 is 4. Now I go to my next place value and I need to take 2 tens away, but I don't have any tens. So I will need to regroup my 100 into 10 tens. And I will show this by just moving a few of the tens away from each other. And I have a total of 10 tens. I will show that regrouping by changing my 200s. Now I only have 100. And instead of 0 tens, now I have 10 tens. And I can take 2 of those away. So I will select 1, 2, delete those, and I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. So 10 tens minus 2 tens is 8 tens. Now I need to take away 1 of the hundreds. I only have 100 left, so I will select this and delete it, and I'm left with 0 hundreds. I do not need to write a 0 here. So my answer should be 84, and I can check that by counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. And my answer is 84 students that are from Elmhurst Elementary.